So why is the entity creation process a consideration when selecting a business entity type? Certain types of businesses will require more formality in their continuation and governance than others. And some types of business entities, you don't even have to file any legal or official documents for the business entity to arise. Okay. So let's start with those types of entities. These are called default entities. A sole proprietorship and a partnership are default entities. Okay. It simply requires an individual carrying on an activity for an intended profit or potential loss. So simply carrying on any form of activity for profit, working not for someone else, but for your own intended gain or profit, gives rise to a sole proprietorship. So you don't actually have to intend to be a business. You only have to intend to carry on business in that fashion. Now, a partnership, on the other hand, is when two individuals come together to carry on an activity for an intended profit, and they thereby somehow share the profits or losses from that business activity. And that's all it takes. In both cases, these are default entities. Other types of entities require some type of filing with a state government in order to arise. And depending on the specific entity, the state may require additional burdens, additional maintenance requirements for that entity, such as meetings, such as the maintenance of records, such as certain annual disclosures, the payment or filing of fees, etc. That's why the creation and maintenance process is a consideration. Depending on the nature of the business, it may be more beneficial for you to select one entity type over another simply because of the administrative burden in creating that entity and maintaining that entity going forward.